My guest today is Pamela Meyer. She's an expert in lie detection and the best-selling author of the book Lie Spotting. Her mission is to help people get to the truth, and she had agreed to help me understand why people lie and how we can detect deception.
Because this is a sign of lying. You will see this often in adults as well. You'll see this flash of what we call duping delight flash across the face, which is this unconscious smile at getting away with a whopper. And we see it so early in the kids. There's videos all over the internet of kids with chocolate all over their faces saying, I didn't eat the chocolate. I didn't eat the chocolate.
Here we have a chimp eating its own